In this video, you'll learn how to turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine with strategies for content creation and smart business ideas. Use ChatGPT for high-volume content creation. Whether blogs, videos, or social media, generate SEO-optimized content quickly. Drive traffic to your website to boost affiliate marketing and ad revenue with optimized content. Next, discover how to offer AI-powered services. Use ChatGPT for copywriting, email marketing, and more. Work with multiple clients and charge premium rates by streamlining tasks with ChatGPT. Explore how to create and sell digital products with ChatGPT, such as ebooks or online courses for passive income. Automate processes and outsource tasks to scale your efforts, generating consistent income efficiently. This guide shows you how to harness ChatGPT's potential to reach your financial goals faster than ever.